Welcome to Civil Mastery, where we explore the world of civil engineering clearly, and in this episode, we'll uncover the fundamentals of civil engineering, what it is, what civil engineers do, and how their work shapes the modern world around us. Civil engineering is the discipline that designs, constructs, and maintains the essential systems of our society. From roads and bridges to skyscrapers, dams, and water networks, civil engineers make these structures possible. It's more than just numbers and blueprints. It's about solving problems creatively, using science and materials wisely, and building structures that stand the test of time. Civil engineers transform ideas into reality. Their work begins with analyzing the site, testing soil, studying groundwater, and assessing load-bearing capacity. They design structures, select materials, and supervise construction to ensure every project meets safety standards, budget limits, and deadlines. Civil engineers manage the entire life cycle of a structure, from planning and design to execution and maintenance. Today's construction industry is rapidly evolving. Civil engineers now use modern techniques such as prefabrication, modular construction, and 3D printing. These innovations make construction faster, more sustainable, and cost-effective. By combining traditional craftsmanship with new technologies, engineers build stronger, smarter, and safer structures. At the heart of every structure lies its foundation. Civil engineers study soil types, groundwater, and load-bearing strength to design suitable foundations. Deep piles are used for tall buildings on weak soils, while shallow footings support smaller structures. A well-designed foundation is essential for durability and long-term performance. Construction is not only about building, it's about managing time, cost, and resources effectively. Civil engineers use tools like Civil 3D, Microsoft Project, and Primavera P6 to plan and monitor progress. Techniques such as earned value analysis help compare actual performance with planned schedules and budgets, keeping projects on track. Civil engineering touches every part of daily life, from the roads we travel to the buildings we live in. In the next episode, we'll explore construction materials, from concrete and steel to modern smart composites, and see how engineers choose the right material for each project. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning with Civil Mastery.